Well, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. It's about 6:20. Out of the log home, waiting on this load of rock. All right, I got here at 6:30. The truck's finally showing up. 7:15. It's gonna be a long weekend. All right, there we go. That's 6 tons. All right, well, much brighter out now that I'm back. And look, someone does love me enough to come with me. Got Tyler, my oldest son, with me here.
Hi, YouTube.
We're gonna come hit this 6 tons, throw it on that. That was actually looking kind of like a slip and slide this morning with all the Mountain Dew on it. And then we'll come over here to the other side and spread on that side. So 6 tons, east side of the driveway. Show you what we got on the other side. Now, I'm pretty sure 6 tons over there is not enough. So, you know, the wet spot kept growing and growing and growing. So, when I bid this job 9 months ago, the wet spot wasn't so big. We'll see how many tons it takes to cover that area. I don't have much to say except let's get this job rocking. So look, we're just gonna be throwing rocks in wheelbarrows for the whole day. So I'm not gonna sit here and time lapse the whole thing because I don't want to deal with all the editing footage you gotta deal with. So that's what we got so far. Back there, all the way down the runway. And it's definitely hot. So fall's not really officially here yet. Not in Virginia mountains at least. It's hot. I'll check back in with you guys. Tyler's so happy to be out here. He's so motivated. Here we go. We just got done eating lunch.
Yeah. And also we got 1/2 done and we're gonna be doing this half now.
6 tons down, 6 tons to go.
Yep, pretty much.
And let me show you. Once again, if we would have gotten all rock and no dirt, you always give us dirt for some reason.
Scalping the land.
We would have had just enough rock to finish this channel. Because there's the dirt pile. See it? Whoop, whoop. That would have been perfect if it was rock to go right there in that little hole. See? Tell you what, not bad for an old guy just measuring out stuff, right? It ended up being perfect. I'll show you real quick. All right, so there is the underground stream coming through. Boom. Right now we have a good flow of water all the way down. And what we did, started down the low end and we dumped every wheelbarrow load right in the middle, nice and firmly, on purpose to make that indentation just enough to create a small swell for that natural stream to flow down. All right, here we go. That's the next 6 tons. We'll see how much that actually covers, but the plan of attack, come from the lowest point down there, dump it down the middle. That way it creates that minute effect in that soft, soggy place that he's standing in right now. We'll see how much it covers. We'll be back with more rock, almost guaranteed. So we'll get some footage of this one. Speed time it. Take a look at this real quick. Making progress. That was like 45 minutes. $6.20 done for a Saturday. We'll come back out tomorrow, put a little bit more work in. Thinking about trying to find some plants first thing and bringing them out here and do some planting. So here's what we got. Not much left. So yeah, it was a good day, and most important part was I found someone that loved me enough to come help me all day. Yeah, it helps he owes me rent, but it's all good. Hey, like I always say, be good if you can, always be kind, and above all, love each other. Peace. The landscape style. Whew.